In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect Hostinger in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and can be accomplished quickly if you follow the steps carefully. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Hostinger website. If you haven't already, simply open your web browser and type in their URL. Hostinger is known for its user-friendly interface, so once you're there, the next step should be a breeze. Now, once you've reached the Hostinger homepage, look for the login button. You'll typically find this option in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you are new to Hostinger, you may need to create an account, but if you've been here before, simply proceed by entering your username and password. Remember to ensure these details are correct, as you won't want to get locked out of your account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Hostinger home section. This area is like your command center, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your website management options. From here you should see various tabs and links laid out in an organized format, thus making it easier for you to locate the next step. From the home section, find and click on the manage button. This will lead you to the next page where you can control and tailor your website settings to suit your needs. It's important to be familiar with these settings as they can greatly enhance your website's functionality. Next, look for the domain section and click on it. This is where you can manage all aspects related to your domain. Depending on how many domains you have, they will all be listed here, so you'll need to select the one that requires redirecting. After opening the domain section, you'll find an option that says redirects. Click on this as we're getting closer to setting up your desired redirect. Redirects are useful for improving your site's navigability and can influence both user experience and SEO positively. Once in the redirect section, you'll see an option labeled Create a Redirect. Selecting this will open a form where you can set your specific redirect preferences, such as choosing the source URL you wish to redirect from and the target URL you want to direct visitors to. It's crucial to enter these URLs correctly to ensure a smooth transition for your web traffic. After filling out the required information, confirm your settings. Remember to double check everything before finalizing. This step is important as it ensures that the redirect functions exactly as intended, preventing any potential confusion or broken links for your site visitors. And there you have it, you've now successfully set up a redirect on Hostinger in just a few steps. This simple yet effective tool can enhance your website's performance. Thank you for watching and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.